Hindi raw healthy ang eggs? Merong 3 reasons why di dapat tayo kumain ng eggs. First, type 2 diabetes. Ang isang itlog kada linggo maaring mag-increase ng ating risk of having type 2 diabetes by more than 70%. At alam nyo ba, itong mother of all diseases, isa ito sa top killer sa buong mundo. Second reason, bad cholesterol. Kahit isang itlog lang kada araw, it can increase your bad cholesterol or your LDL cholesterol by 12%. Uy, seryoso to ha? Kasi heart disease is the #1 killer in the world and in the Philippines, and cholesterol is the #1 risk factor for heart disease. Third reason is the big C. Yes, cancer. Kasi yung cholesterol sa itlog, pwedeng pakainin ng cancer cells. So the more eggs you eat, the higher your risk of certain cancers. Look, I'm not saying you have to stop eating eggs. Ako nga, nahirapan pa rin eh. But what we can do is to eat more fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, spices, mushrooms, basically more plants. Pero kung wala kang time bumili o magluto, try this shortcut. Try mo itong superfood na ininom ko. Sobrang concentrated ang vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants na para ka na rin kumain ng napakaraming prutas at gulay. Follow lang if you wanna know more. Marami pa akong share sa'yo. See ya!